The wolf doesn't lose sleep over the opinions of sheep. This saying encapsulates the essence of Sigma males. Rare individuals defined by their independence, self-assurance, and unyielding drive to live by their own rules. They don't need crowds to validate their worth or hierarchies to define their roles. They carve their paths, step by step, in a world that often thrives on conformity. However, walking this untamed road comes with its challenges. Sigma males often find themselves targeted not for their flaws, but for their strengths. Their quiet confidence, resistance to manipulation, and refusal to bow to societal pressures make them stand out, stirring discomfort in a world accustomed to conformity. Let's explore why this happens and how Sigma males can thrive amidst the chaos. 1. Freedom, a dream made real. Freedom is more than breaking physical chains. It's about living on one's terms, unshackled by the invisible expectations society imposes. Sigma males embody this ideal, defying norms with an almost defiant authenticity. While others chase approval, climb ladders, or follow trends, the Sigma male creates a life uniquely his own. This freedom, however, often provokes resentment. Seeing a Sigma male thriving outside conventional molds forces others to confront uncomfortable questions about their own choices. If he can live freely, why can't they? Rather than reflect on their limitations, many choose to criticize the Sigma male, labeling him as arrogant or rebellious. Yet, this criticism only underscores their insecurities, while the Sigma's independence silently dares others to dream bigger. 2. Mystery, the unreadable scapegoat. Sigma males are notoriously hard to read. Their calm and calculated demeanor, combined with an absence of need to explain themselves, often leaves others unsettled. People like predictability and struggle to understand those who defy categorization. This mystery becomes a double-edged sword. It adds allure, but also makes them easy scapegoats. In social settings, the Sigma's independence and lack of participation in gossip or groupthink make him a prime target for misplaced blame. His silence is misinterpreted as guilt or detachment. Yet, his refusal to defend himself reflects a deeper strength, a commitment to integrity over public opinion. Over time, the truth reveals itself, but by then, the Sigma has already moved on, unaffected by the chaos. 3. Narcissists, unmasking the facade. Narcissists thrive on validation, constructing their self-worth on the approval of others. Most people fall into the trap of feeding this need, whether out of politeness or fear. Sigma males, however, refuse to play along. They see through the narcissist's facade and remain indifferent to their manipulations. This rejection is deeply unsettling for narcissists. The Sigma's calm indifference reflects their inability to dominate someone so self-assured. In retaliation, narcissists may lash out, attempting to provoke a reaction or discredit the Sigma. Yet, the Sigma's silence is more powerful than any argument. His refusal to engage not only protects his peace, but also exposes the narcissist's fragility. 4. Attention without seeking it. Sigma males naturally command attention without chasing it. Their quiet confidence and authentic demeanor draw people in, creating an effortless magnetism. This unintentional spotlight, however, stirs envy in those who struggle to earn recognition. What's truly threatening is the Sigma's authenticity. Unlike others, he doesn't seek external validation, making him immune to attempts to undermine his influence. Even when admired or envied, the Sigma remains grounded, focused, and indifferent to external noise. His ability to draw attention without seeking it is a quiet rebellion against a world obsessed with being noticed. 5. Opportunists, exposed by awareness. Opportunists thrive by exploiting those who are unaware or overly trusting. Sigma males, with their sharp awareness and ability to read people, are far from easy targets. They observe not just what is said, but also what is unsaid, discerning ulterior motives with ease. This heightened vigilance makes opportunists feel exposed. Their usual tactics, such as flattery or guilt-tripping, fail to ensnare the Sigma male, leaving them frustrated and vulnerable. In their desperation, opportunists often resort to discrediting the Sigma, but such attempts rarely succeed. The Sigma's authenticity and refusal to engage in petty drama serve as his ultimate defense. 6. Unpredictability. Challenging comfort zones. Most people rely on predictability to feel secure, but Sigma males thrive on unpredictability. They refuse to conform, charting their paths guided by self-awareness and an inner compass. This defiance of societal expectations often unsettles those who find comfort in routine. The Sigma's authenticity challenges the rigidity and insecurities of others. Some respond with criticism, attempting to frame his independence as irresponsibility or arrogance. Yet, the Sigma remains undeterred, knowing that his unpredictability is not about chaos, but about staying true to himself. His liberation becomes a quiet power that others both envy and fear. 7. The mask. Refusing to conform. Sigma males possess an uncanny ability to adapt to any environment. While they can wear various societal masks when needed, they refuse to let those masks define them. Unlike others who conform to fit in, the Sigma remains authentic, valuing his true self over comfort or acceptance. This authenticity disrupts societal norms, exposing the superficiality of those who rely on masks. The Sigma's refusal to conform becomes a silent challenge to others, forcing them to confront their own compromises. His steadfast authenticity, even in the face of criticism, cements his identity as a true individualist. Conclusion: thriving amidst the chaos, being a Sigma male is not an easy path. It's a road filled with challenges, misunderstandings, and resistance. Yet, these obstacles are also a testament to their strength and authenticity. The pushback they face is not a reflection of their flaws, but of the discomfort they provoke in a world that fears change. Sigma males thrive because they remain true to themselves, navigating life with quiet confidence and unwavering independence. Their presence challenges norms, inspires authenticity, and dares others to dream beyond conformity. In a world that often resists individuality, Sigma males stand as living proof that freedom, authenticity, and resilience are just ideals, but attainable realities. Do you resonate with the ideas I shared in this video? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more content about Sigma males, explore the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.